Hey, welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. You're probably wondering, Jim, when are you going to make another pizza pizzazz? Guess what? The time is now. Grab that store-bought cheese pizza. We're going to pizzazz it up. Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah!
Recently, I went to a pizza shop and had an Indian pizza. I had no idea how good it was going to be. So I'm making my own here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Let's do it! I'm going to start by cooking some chicken pieces with a little curry powder. On the base of this pizza, I'm going to use this ready-to-eat Paneer butter masala. I don't know if you've ever had Paneer before, but it's a type of cheese. It's like a cubed cheese, kind of like a cottage cheese. Actually, once I took a cheese making course and I was able to make paneer, and it was so delicious. But I'm not hand making any for you today. It's a pizza pizzazz party. It's simple. Here comes the paneer sauce. I'm going to add some red onions on top of that. Next, add on that chicken. And a little extra cheese on top. Time to bake. Okay, it's practically done cooking. I thought I'm going to add a little fresh spinach on top. And I'm going to cook it for another 5 minutes. This pizza has been pizzazzed. I'm ready to put it in my mouth. Here we go. Airplane. It's wonderful. And it has a great spice to it as well. I love the spinach and red onions on there. So great. And you know what? It's different. And I love different. You can pizzazz a pizza any way you like. Get to the store, grab a store-bought cheese pizza, and add some pizzazz. There'll be more pizzazz to come, I'm sure. Thank you for watching me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. It's a joy having you here in my kitchen. See you next time. I recently snorted some curry powder. It nearly put me in a coma.